Hello, Mrs. Gleason here. I'm going to show you how to create a green screen photo so that you can take a picture of yourself in front of a green screen and put any background that you want. In this case, we're going to do a holiday one, but you could use this idea for anything that you want to create. So first thing you want to do is have a picture taken of you in front of the green screen. Once you've done that, then you want to go to Safari and you can search for images. And if you tap in the address bar and search for whatever you want to have in the background, I'm going to choose to have stockings and tree. See what I can come up with. And then click go. And then it should take you to a page that looks like this. Once you've done that, you want to click on the Images button. And once you have the Images button, then you can go down and find an image that you want for your background. And once you see the one that you like, and let's see, let's find a good one. Let's do this one right here. You tap it and it makes it a little bigger. And then you tap and hold on it, and then you're going to do add to photos. Now if you want to just grab a couple just in case the other one doesn't work out, then you could do the same thing and grab another one. Let's see, let me go up to the top. I think there's another good one up here. Right here. Let's grab that one, tap and hold again, and do add to photos. The other thing that you're going to need is a Merry Christmas message. In this case, I'm going to do season greetings, but you could do Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. And then click go. And it should already be in images this time because you just have search images. And find one that you like. And then tap on it, and then tap and hold, and then click add to photos. At this point now you would click your home button and go to your green screen app. And once you're in your green screen app, you will click the plus button. If you're already in a project, like say you're already in this project, you do have to click the back arrow to get back out. But you're going to click the plus button, you're going to do create new project, and in this middle section is where your green screen photo will go. So you're going to click the plus button, you're going to go to your photos, and then recent is probably your best choice because then your recent photos should be there. So I'm going to grab the picture of me, and then I'm going to shrink myself down. I'm going to click done. And then you see how there's some places that's not black. If I click on this button right here in the middle of these three choices, it looks almost like a diamond with some wings out from it. You're going to tap on that, and then you're going to adjust it so that only green is showing and not all the other colors. Make sure you don't cut yourself off, and then click done. So now all we see is black. Now on the bottom section, that's where we're going to put our background in. So I'm going to hit the plus button down here, and I'm going to go to photos, I'm going to go to recents, and then I'm going to grab my background image. And I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm going to click done. And then on the top plus button right here, I'm going to hit the plus button. And then I'm going to go to photos, and I'm going to go to recents, and I'm going to grab my season greetings. And then I'm going to click done. Now your season greetings is taking the full space, but do you see how I have yellow right around this section? That tells me that I can work with that. So while the yellow's around that, I can pinch my season greetings down to smaller. And maybe I'll just put it right over here. And then I'm going to, I wonder if I can try to make myself sit. So to do that, if I click on the click on my picture right here, and it has the yellow around it now I can work with me. And let's see if I can make it look like I'm in that chair. Oh, that's not too bad, is it? All right. And all I do is pinch, and then you can turn with your finger to adjust yourself in the right place. And then if I needed to make any adjustments to my background, I could do that as well. But I'm pretty pleased with the way that it is. But now that I've made a move, I think I'm going to have to adjust myself again. So let me go back to myself, make my little adjustment. And then there we go. All right. The next thing we're going to do is up on the top. We're going to make this into an image, not a video today. So we're going to click Image. We're going to click Capture Image. And then down here on the bottom, the Share button. And if it disappears, you're going to tap again to make it show up. Square with the up arrow, tap that. And then you're going to click Save Image. And then that's, click OK. Now if I go to my photos, I'll see on the bottom right here, that's the picture that I just made. And then from here I can share it any way that I want. So if you want to share it through Seesaw or Class Dojo, or airdrop it to your teacher, maybe your teacher's going to email all the parents. That's all the different ways that you can do that. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I hope you have some awesome creations.